Today I'm working with the English Charizard from Champion's Path. It don't need that much effort than other cards. The customer only wanted that I clear the card before he grades it. It was not that much effort and not that pricey for the customer, but it's a really clean card now and hopefully it will grade better than before. Subscribe to me if you want to see more cleaning and polishing card videos. Thanks for the order, hopefully you'll get a good grade now. I know you can't see that much difference from the eye, but it is really a big difference.